Hello, I'm Ryan and welcome back to my channel or to my channel. Today we are going to be designing my logo. And with that being said, I'm going to give you a few tips as well. But first, photo shoot. So I decided to go with the mustache pencil look. I think it really represents my channel and what I want it to be. I want it to be silly, fun, also a little creative, and pencils have something to do with art. So I thought it was a perfect idea. So I'm going to make a cartoon out of it. Now while I'm drawing my cartoon, I want to explain that I wasn't originally going to do a cartoon. I was thinking about doing just a nice simple RYAN+N, as that is the title of my channel. But I was looking around in my other channels that I'm subscribed to, and all of them, or most of them, have faces. And humans are naturally drawn to faces, so I thought it was a good idea. But now I am an art channel, so I didn't just want to do a picture of my face. So I'm making a cartoon picture of my face. Now, this is not the normal style I normally go for, and that's why I really kind of liked it a lot. So as I finished up my drawing, I put it into Illustrator, which is the software I am going to be using. As I turn around, I'm basically going to be using the pen tool and tracing over it each part by part, like the hair, the eyes, mouth, etc. Now while I'm doing that, I'm going to give you some tips. So basically when making your logo, you want to think what represents your logo, or what do you want to represent your channel with? Like, do you want it to be funny? Do you want it to be artsy? Do you want it to be lifestyle? Do you want it to be aesthetic? Whatever you want, try to incorporate whatever that is into your logo. My example, I am an art channel and I want to be a funny art channel basically. And so I used art to make my logo, and I used a funny style and a funny face and a funny position for my character. And I really like it a lot. And that should go for you too. If it's a comedy channel, you can do a fun little outfit that you're in with like a wig or whatever. You make it your channel, make it your logo. And whenever people go into your channel, you should think, oh, I'm proud of that. I want people to see my logo. And for me, I want people to laugh or smile when they see my logo every time. That's my goal of my logo. Now I'm just going to let it go here. Continue watching my video and see how I finish making my logo. Thank you very much. Okay, here's the finished product. I hope you like it, and I'll see you later. Don't forget to click on my other videos, and I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. Bye!